एक second. There's a whole tamjam around it.
Okay, what is that?
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello. Microphone, mera mic. Mic.
Oh my god, what is the tamtam?
Hello. Okay, guys. We have with us your attention, please. We have with us the divine, the beautiful,
Oh god, hi.
the original Noori. Poonam Dhillon with us. She's my esteemed guest for my show. उनका बर्थडे भी आ रहा है अगले महीने, तो हमने सोचा एक महीने पहले उनका बर्थडे अभी से मनाना शुरू कर दें, तो एक महीने पहले उनके बर्थडे का जश्न. This I think she did not expect. Please, Poonam ji.
I didn't expect this at all. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you. God,
It's a blueberry cheesecake. I hope you like it.
it's a bit overwhelming, honestly, and here I was running late and feeling like out of breath. Now I'm out of breath for other reasons. Thank you so much. That's very sweet.
Poonam, another surprise I have for you. Basically, this has been a long cherished dream to meet you. We have with us a gentleman who's also a fan of radio. His name is Ranjit, who's a memorabilia collector, and he's got something for you. This is a gift from us to you. This is something, okay, no, easy climax में. एक एक करके. हाँ, छुपाइएगा, सब कुछ दिखना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, तो एक, give me one.
How many surprises are you giving me today?
This is a film which is very close to your heart, I know, Basera.
Yeah.
And this is a song booklet. जो उस ज़माने में song booklets आते थे, आप इसको खोल सकती हैं. Yeah. So this is something which was from us to you, which I specially sourced for you. I don't know, ये आपको पता है या नहीं, उस ज़माने में ये song booklets आते थे, synopsis और गाने आते थे.
My God, this is really precious. Thank you, this is something very unusual for me. क्या बात है?
एक अच्छा ये सब इधर रखिएगा, फिर एक के साथ फोटो खिंचवाएंगे. This is another film which I know that Poonam holds this film very close to her heart. It was also produced by Ashok Thakrea, her husband, and also somebody. This is actually a film which I know where she did a fabulous job as an actor. Kasam.
Yes. Wow. This is Kasam.
Yes. And this film will be, I think, probably the biggest miracle of all time. कि पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि कोई एक इंसान दूसरा इंसान बदल गया, मतलब वो इतने बड़े पैमाने पे बदल गया. In which Poonam Dhillon converted into Tina Munim. ये वादा रहा. One of the most incredible stories and the most incredible music.
Yes, that's all. It's Pancham Das music, R.D. Burman, Pancham Das music, and I think this music is immortal. Really, it is.
The number of remixes जो इस फिल्म के गानों के हुए हैं, शायद ही किसी और पिक्चर के गानों के हुए हैं. And finally, of course, the film that got you all the adulation and love, the original Noori.
That, of course, is the most precious film to me. Thank you. I'm really overwhelmed now. This is.
Okay, no, we still have something more. This is actually the film जिससे उनको break मिला. Believe it or not, before Noori came Trishul. जिसमें आपका actually छोटा सा role था, right? Compared to, I mean, you worked with the biggest stalwarts उस ज़माने के.
My God, these are actually the legends of our time. Sanjeev Kumar, Shashi Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan, and I was really lucky. उस वक्त मुझे समझ नहीं थी, कदर नहीं थी, because I was really very young and inexperienced. But today I realized what a, I would say, iconic film I was introduced in. Really, Trishul.
And finally, in climax, this is a film which was one of the most dhamal films when I was growing up that we watched. And इसका ये सब original posters हैं. इसका ये poster I don't know आपका है या नहीं. And this is actually ये कमाल हो गया कि आप आए हैं हमारे पास. Do you remember?
Of course I do. Oh my God. And I remember this because I did some cartwheels and all these kind of funny things in this film. तो बहुत मज़ेदार film थी ये. And Kamal Hassan, I'm a great fan of his. But tell me one thing, does Anirudh do this every time a guest comes to him?
Oh yes.
ये तामझाम आप लोग हर बार करते हैं? How exhausting that must be for you all and for you. Thank you, but for me it's very, very unique and it's very special, and I appreciate that totally.
ये केक काटिएगा हमारी तरफ से, please. Wishing you a very happy birthday in advance.
My first birthday cake of the year. Thank you.
नहीं,
I want a picture. Can I request Ashok Kumar? Can I please tweet it? That can be started the birthday season. Maybe from this way?
And I'm going to send you the entire video also on WhatsApp.
So, oh. Thank you. This is too soft for me to. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Tissue paper. Any final words before we go in for the...
Well, just a very, very big thank you to all of you here. I know a lot of you I haven't met or seen, but it's a very special moment for me and I'll cherish it forever. Thank you for making it so special. Thank you.
Just going to take us a few pictures before we go inside.
You want to make it now scary also?